We'll guide you through how to close tabs on an Android phone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So over time, you end up with loads of open tabs because often you're clicking links people go and send you, or perhaps just when you go and search something, you're always opening up new tabs. So you can end up with loads open. This isn't ideal as it just goes and congests your browser. So we're going to guide you through how you can just close one if that's the case, or you may want to go and close them all. It doesn't matter. We're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure this full guide to know exactly what you need to do. So in this video, we are focusing on Google Chrome. This is the browser you most commonly go and use in Android. Of course, you may use a different one, but in this video, we're focusing on Chrome. So keep watching if you want to know how to do this step by step in Chrome. So what you want to do is go and locate Chrome. So on my device, it's in my bar at the bottom, but you may need to go and swipe across to go and find it. You can always swipe up to go and find it and even go and search for it at the top. So let's go and open it up. Now, once you're in Chrome, I'm just on the homepage here, but you may be browsing a site. It doesn't matter. Now, what you need to do is you want to go and look in the top right. So you're going to go and see a plus, a square with a number in, and 3 dots. So the square with a number in, that is your tabs. So what you want to do is you can go and tap there like so, and you're then going to go and see your open tabs. As you can see, here we are. Now, what you need to do is you need to go and decide if it's just one tab you want to do it with or multiple. And what you can then do is go to the top right of each one and press the cross to go and close them. But this can take a lot of time if you've got a lot of tabs. So what you can do is you can go and close them all. To do that, press the 3 dots in the top right. And what you can do is you can go and select them if there are multiple. And you can then go and press the 3 dots in the top right and you can go and press close tabs. Or alternatively, press the 3 dots in the top right. You can press the back button to unselect them as I did there. You can just go and press close all tabs. You'll get a pop-up and it's going to go and say close all tabs. They can still be reopened from the recent tabs, which is good. But I want to go and close them all, so I'm going to press close all tabs and groups. That's it. Then we can go and start again by pressing a plus in the top left, and there we go. So as you can see, I've just now got one tab, which is this one here. So if you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again with more guides.